Hello everyone, this is Jasneet Singh, aka Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and we are live on YouTube, and this is the second episode of Innovative Life. Okay, so let me start the live session on Instagram as well as we normally do on Instagram as well as on YouTube both, right? Okay, so let me adjust it a little bit. I hope it doesn't fall off. Fine. Yes. Okay, so we are going live on Instagram as well. Yeah. So we have two live viewers on YouTube. Okay, so let's start the live session on Instagram. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Jasneet Singh, aka Innovative Coder on Innovative Coder Workstation from Innovative Coder Workstation. I hope I'm audible. Okay, so we have one viewer on YouTube and we have 23 viewers on Instagram. So can anyone tell me, am I audible on both the platforms? So am I audible on Instagram? Am I audible on YouTube? Okay, so YouTube I can check on my own. Mm-hmm. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, so there will be a little bit of disturbance. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so we are audible on YouTube. I'm audible on YouTube and on Instagram. Yes. Okay, so people are saying I'm audible. Fine. Okay, so we have one question on YouTube, which is Pratik Goyal saying who will win on 23rd May. I don't know who will. Okay, no political issues. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello Ronak. Hello Sachin. Hello Jan. Hello Rashid. Okay, so no political questions in my life. Fine. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we have some people with us. So I want to announce a few things. So a few moments back, I have recorded the first innovative podcast live session. Sorry, not live session, innovative podcast session with Mikanovo. He is a UI designer from Munich, and that podcast would be up on my YouTube as well as on Anchor.fm and some other platforms which are like Google Play, Google Podcasts, and other podcast uh, platforms. Fine, and we took various techie questions and I asked them to Mikanovo, and he answered all of them. Yeah. Hey Shubhit, hello, how are you? Okay. What is the language which has a future as a developer? Every language has a future as a developer, buddy. There's no language which is gonna obsolete after a lot of stays. Okay. Hello, coded. Yeah. So we have 85 live viewers on Instagram and two live viewers on YouTube, and yeah. So we will be launching innovative podcast this week, and if you haven't joined innovative community on Telegram, then you should join innovative community on Telegram, because I get a personal touch uh, on Telegram. So we have Jeffrey. Jeffrey says, "What's your opinion on Python 4?" Okay, I haven't heard about Python 4. I would definitely search more about Python 4. I haven't heard about that. So sorry if it exists. I don't know about anything about Python 4. Okay. Bro, how to learn coding? I have a video on how to start with programming on my YouTube. Please visit that. Please visit my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos regarding how to start with programming, which laptop you should buy, and some questions which I get requests on a daily basis. I have those questions on my YouTube channel. Okay, tell me C or C++. As a beginner, you can go with C, then like quickly transition to C++. There is not much to do with C language. What is your opinion on data science? Data science is the sexiest job of according to Harvard Business Review, and it's like the most paying job after investment banking. Yeah, I see not available on Instagram. Man, what are you talking about? Innovative coder is on Instagram. You just search innovative underscore coder. Pratik, you can search innovative underscore coder on Instagram. You'll get to know. Okay, YouTube channel name. YouTube channel name is same as this page name, which is innovative coder. So go on YouTube, search innovative space coder, and you'll get to know about like all the videos are posted over there. So I also have a complete Python 3 series, so you can watch that if if you want to watch. Web development is it still going in the market? Yes, man, completely. Even I am learning web development as of now, so I am learning React. Are you hacker? No, I look like a hacker, but I'm not a hacker, buddy. Yeah. Okay. How can I do more practice on statistics? Cool. Statistics. I don't have any resources for statistics as of now, but yes, if you talk about statistics for machine learning, then yes, you can do the deep learning or the machine learning course on Coursera. They are pretty good. You from Punjab or Canada? No, bro, I'm not from. I'm neither from Punjab nor from Canada. I'm from Delhi. I'm from New Delhi. Okay, so we have some promotions going on. Let me ban these guys. Report hyphen life. Okay. Okay, fine. So we have some questions in the sticker. Tips for being a developer. Yes, I have some tips on being a developer on my Instagram. So if you scroll down, I have those swipe posts. So like around like I gave around 6 or 7 tips on how to be a good developer. Fine. What are you working on? I can't reveal that. How to be consistent. Yeah, see, that's something which I also feel because I am also not consistent with my things, and see, you need breaks. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. So you need breaks in your life, and it's completely fine if you are not consistent. Just it should be that when you are doing something, do that with the complete hard work. Hard work. Okay, so what should I learn first? JavaScript, Python, PHP. No, bro, you should always master one thing, then move on to other, right? So if you want to first start with JavaScript, then start with that, do JavaScript, and then transition on to something else. And when I say do JavaScript, I mean like do JavaScript or do Python completely. So just deep dive into that, because normally what people do is they start with something, they start with something, they complete the first layer, then they don't go deep into that particular thing, and that's where most of the people lack. Fine. Okay, so I'm live only for like 10 more minutes. So if you have any question, you can just throw them on me. Can I become a good machine learning engineer if I'm not uh, doing any professional course? Yes, of course. See, there are people who are self-made machine learning engineers. If you are not, if you haven't done any course or if you are not doing any course, then that's completely fine. That's completely okay. It doesn't matter that much. Which language would I prefer for interview preparation, Java or C++? You can go with any of them. Both of them would be good. Like Java, either Java or C++. The thing is that you need to be thorough with your DSA concepts. So data structures and algorithm concepts, you should master that, and then you would be completely fine. How can I avoid TLE in competitive coding? So TLE occurs due to like lots of reasons. So first thing is complexity. Always minimize the complexity in your code, and so either it be space or time, just always be in your limits, always be in the constraints you are given. uh, that would be completely fine. I'm also a Python beginner. If you're a Python beginner, then I have a complete YouTube playlist on Python. You can go on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube, yeah, channel, and then you can like watch those complete. I think they are like 20 or 21 videos, and you would be good to go. Fine. Okay. Okay. Resources for ethical hacking. I only know one resource for ethical hacking, which is Cybrary. Cybrary is a good resource for ethical hacking. You can go to cybrary.com and how much your mic costs. So if you're talking about this, I have two mics. Which one you're talking about? This one or this one? Okay, so for ethical hacking, you can go to cybrary.com, and even my friend Technical Sapien on Instagram has his own courses on carding and charting. You can go and watch those. I don't know about those concepts, I just know the name of those concepts. But yes, you can go on his page and like enroll in those courses. Okay, confused to decide IoT, ML, or DS. DS, you mean data science, right? So first of all, ML or DS, there's no confusion. If you are doing DS, then you need to learn ML also a little bit, right? IoT is something related to hardware side. So see that these both of these things are completely parallel. So I would say just take up one skill, do it for 1 week, then take up other skill, do it for 1 week, and you would be able to know like which is your interest. Please recommend any project for Python beginners. Okay, Python beginners. I think you should master your concepts. That would be a good thing. Um, for project, you should either like dive into something which is a very niche kind of topic. So either web scraping or like Selenium automation or something for that kind of project, or maybe developing an app through Tkinter or other libraries. Yeah. No, there is no hierarchy for learning coding language. You can start with C, C++, or Python. I would recommend you these basic languages. You can start with them, then you can deep dive into like what should be whatever development field you choose. Okay, fine. So you're asking about the left one. Uh, the left one. Okay, so the middle one or the okay, you're asking about this one. So this is, I think from Right Company. So it's WR900 with condenser and phantom power supply. So this is the mic which I'm using for YouTube recording, and this one is lapel mic. I don't I don't know the company, but yeah. Is Python difficult? No, no, not at all. You can go on my YouTube channel. I have a complete 21 video series. You can get started with the Python straight away. How much to know before applying for GSOC? Okay, so sorry, I planned for a GSOC video, but I was not able to make one. I'll surely make one video for GSOCs, for GSOCers. And yeah, where are you from? I'm from India, New Delhi. Okay, Python is the most easiest language to learn. Yes, it is. It is. Okay. So Raghu is saying, can you add more interview-based questions in Insta, or please add any YouTube videos on interview-based questions? Interview-based questions. Okay, fine. I'll try to post more of interview-based questions. So lately I'm posting videos related to deep learning and AI stuff. But if you say, I would be posting some videos on. Okay, so on Instagram we have a request to come live. So we are getting some requests to come live. Okay, so let's go live with Urmil. Let's add him. Okay, so from where can I learn UI designing? Okay, so Shalvi is saying, from where can I learn UI designing? See, there are tutorials by Traversy Media. There are tutorials by Derek Benas. You can learn either through them, or you can do an Udemy course. I did an Udemy course that proved to be a good course. You can do that. Okay, so what are the jobs of ethical hacker? So what are the job? So I won't say ethical hacker, but I would say like a cybersecurity expert. Uh, Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm not able to hear you. Okay, so I had my speakers connected, but now I don't think I have my speakers connected. Okay, so I won't be able to come live with anyone as of now. So sorry, Urmil, I won't be able to come live with you, but as I had my speakers connected, but if I reconnect my speakers, then I have to, stop this live session. So sorry, but yeah. Okay. So Arvind has a question. What is the best career option after BE in computer science? See, that depends on your interest, what you have done, the skill set you have. That completely depends on you, bro. On YouTube, what are the career options? Yeah, I'm answering your question as Arvind. You That depends completely on your skill set. Okay. What should I do? Internship or learn ML or competitive programming? See, if you don't have any skills, then how could you even enter into internships? There would be no point of getting into internships if you don't have any skills. First, learn these skills, then go for any internship. Should I start a job as a remote developer? Yes, you can. If it's a good company, then you can start on a payroll, and if not, then you can work as a freelancer as well. That's completely fine. Okay, fine. Okay. So getting a lot of requests for coming live, but I can't go live with anyone um, as my speakers are not connected. And if I connect my speakers, then I had to like end this live session and then do that. So I don't want any break between these live sessions. Which is best for future Android development or web development? Both. You can go for any of them. Sorry, you can go for any of them. Um, there's nothing which is. It's not like one or the other would be going off slate. Both are fine. I'm in second year CSE. What all skills should I learn? So start with DSA. Start with either C plus plus or C plus plus Java or Python. Start with DSA concepts, then learn the advanced languages. Okay, Santosh has a question. I have a question. I don't have the GPA that satisfies the company selection criteria, but I have great skills for programming job. Please guide me through this. Okay. See, if you don't have GPA, so generally these companies demand a GPA of more than 7 or maybe 6.5. If you have less than 6.5 or 7 GPA, then you would face some difficulties. But it's like there are a lot of competitions going on Hacker Earth, on CodeShift platform. They also have their minimum criteria, but still um, there are some competitions who don't which doesn't have these criteria, so you can always search for those competitions and then enter straight away into that. Or even you can join a startup for 1 year or maybe 1.5 year, and then you can transition into a product based company, a good product based company, right? Fine. Okay. uh, so Prudvi says I want people who can work on AI. Okay, go ahead. Post an internship on Internship or a job on Jobs, and you're good to go. Okay, so Arvin is asking, I'm good in web development, Android Studio, Python. Now I'm learning deep learning, but as far as job purpose, what is the best option to work on kind of mastering? So you can mix all of them, and as far as job is concerned, then machine learning and deep learning jobs are like high in demand as of now. If you are able to find one, then go for it, or else you can go for web development or Android development because you have all the skills, you have all the career paths open for you. So completely fine. Fine. Uh, okay, so Santosh is saying, I want to go into product-based company. I don't want to go be an average CS engineer. Okay, so see the concept is you don't have the minimum CGPA requirement, right? So there's a drawback. But what you can do is you can either apply for competitions, right? you can go for these competitions like ACM, ICBC, or all of these. Or not for these like high level competitions. You can go for the competitions which these companies have. If they don't have a minimum bare CGPA requirement, then uh, if you are able to clear that, then okay, then that's okay. Or else you can go for what do we call like a normal startup, and yeah, and then like work there for 1 year, and then you can transition into a good product based company. I know basics, and I'm in second year CSE. What should I next? I know basics. So you know basics, but you need to master DSA, right? To start with any programming language, you need to master data structures. So just master that. Just go with the flow, right? And then do an advanced course like machine learning, or not machine learning, but maybe web development or Android development, or like blockchain, or any kind of thing you want to do. Java or Python, any of them. Go for any of them. If you have interest in like Android and stuff, go for Java. If you have interest in machine learning and stuff, maybe web development, go for Python. Okay, fine. So we have 21 minutes complete live session, and now it's going to be 22 minutes. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. I will be back on next Saturday or Sunday with another innovative live. Fine. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any question, you can join the community. You can join the innovative community on Telegram, and you can let me know the questions there, or you can DM me the questions on Instagram, or you can write the questions on YouTube comments. And on YouTube, please give a like to this innovative live session, uh, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't, to all the Instagram feeds. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, then please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah. So that's it. Fine. Okay. Do well. Yeah. Okay. Uh, so the same instructions for you as well. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe the YouTube channel. If you haven't liked the video, then please do give a like on the thumbs up button, and share this live session with your friends. And if you have any doubts, or if you have any query, then comment that in the comment section below. Okay. Thank you, everyone.